In today's review, we're going to take a look at two words, less and fewer. And these two words are very important when it comes to making comparisons. And making comparisons is something that you'll probably do in writing task 1 of the IELTS exam. So we're going to review how to use less and fewer, and then we're going to do a little bit of practice. Now, whether you use fewer or less depends on what kind of noun you have. So if you have a count noun, you're going to use fewer. And if you have a mass noun, you're going to use less. So for example, the word assignments. The word assignments is a count noun, so we're going to use fewer. This class has fewer assignments. But the word homework is a mass noun or a non-count noun, so we're going to use the word less. So this class has less homework. And with the other example, there are fewer cars, there is less traffic. So for the most part, with count nouns we use fewer, with mass nouns we use less. There are some exceptions with time and money, but for today's lesson we're going to focus on count with fewer, mass with less. And we're going to practice using this table here. And if you'd like, you can pause the video and take a moment to analyze the chart on your own to see what it's about, and when you're ready you can start to play the video again. So you can see this table shows us or provides information about the nutritional information for 4 types of minced meat. So we've got turkey, chicken, lamb, and beef. On the left hand column you have the different types of nutritional information for each type of minced meat. So we've got fat, calories, iron, and protein. And if I was to describe this table, I'm going to have to compare the different types of nutritional information. So if I'm talking about fat, should I use less fat or fewer fat? And if I say grams of fat, should I say fewer grams of fat or less grams of fat? So that's what we're going to look at next. So we're going to make 2 columns, one with fewer and one with less. And we're going to take a look at the items in the left-hand column and determine whether we should use fewer or less with these items. So let's start with the word fat. Fat is a non-count noun or a mass noun, so we're going to use it with less, so less fat. Now grams, you see it's already plural, it has the S at the end, so we know it's count, so fewer grams. So less fat, fewer grams of fat. Next we've got calories. We also see that it's plural, so we know it's a count noun, so it's going to be used with fewer calories. Next we've got iron, and iron is a mineral, so it's going to be used with less since it's a mass noun, so less iron. And we also have milligrams, so that is going to be a count noun, so fewer milligrams. So less iron, fewer milligrams of iron. And lastly, we have protein. And protein is a mass noun, so we're going to use less with protein. So now let's have a little bit of practice. On the right-hand side, we have 4 sentences, and they are incomplete. There are 5 blanks here. And I'd like you to complete the blanks using less or fewer. So you can go ahead and pause the video and complete the blanks, and when you are finished you can start it again. So now that you're ready, let's take a look at the answers, and hopefully yours match with mine. So for number 1, we've got minced turkey and chicken have a lot less fat than lamb and beef. Additionally, turkey and chicken have fewer calories than lamb and beef. While minced turkey and chicken have fewer grams of fat, they also have less iron than lamb and beef. Minced chicken, lamb, and beef have less protein than minced turkey. So I hope that this review was beneficial for you, and when you take the IELTS exam, this is one of those little things that you can check at the end of your writing.